Hello, my name is Manuel Martí, and I am a sales director at SDLG North America. And I'm here to talk to you today about the E6215H. This unit has an operating weight of 50,000 pounds and 31,000 pounds of breakout force. It comes with 8 rollers, 2 plate chain guards, and 2 support rollers with double support and on the top. The air cabin filter is easily available and replaceable from this compartment here. This compartment gives you ample access to the air filter, fuses, and battery cutoff switch. On this side, we will have easy access to the batteries and oversized radiator. This unit comes equipped with rear and right side camera, which are viewable from the cabin, which we will speak of a little later in the presentation. It also has 10 powerful LED lights. The ease of access continues on this side. From this compartment, we have access to all the unit's filters. Coming down, we see one of the 2 cutoff switches, the other one's in the cab, which I will explain to you later. Now I'm going to show you the motor. This is a Perkins 175 horsepower motor, capable of producing enough force to power the hydraulics and the drive motor. From up here, you can see the ease of access to the Perkins motor. And while I'm up here, I want to point out our top guard and our safety beacon that are standard with these units. Also, we have a hydraulics bleed valve, the hydraulics fuel cap, and the diesel fuel tank. On our way down, I want to point out, this is where our depth tank is. Very easily accessible. From here, we can see the boom, which is 18.5 feet, and the arm, which is 9.5 feet. Combined, they give 22 feet digging depth and 22 feet dumping height. Up there, we have our holding valve that will prevent any cylinder bleed in case there's any damage to the hydraulic lines. This unit comes standard equipped with 800 millimeter tracks. So up next is the cab. But before we get in there, I want to point out, every SDLG product has a diagram for all the maintenance points easily accessible. Welcome to the operator cab, where it all comes together. I am 6'5", 220 pounds, and I sit very comfortably on this seat with room to spare. As you can see on one of the features of this seat is that you can move the entire seat forward or just the controls to adjust to any height or length of the operator. Also worth mentioning, this is an air suspension seat with heat and ventilation. Starting up, I have an oversized skylight that gives me full view of the boom and the arm completely extended with a sunshade for the front screen, and the windscreen also tilts up and out of the way or back into position. This unit also comes with several programmable, customizable features, such as idle that can set the unit to return back to idle after a specific time period, and working conditions to program the standard low platform, flat ground, efficient, or hoisting work conditions. Speaking about operator comfort, we have a warming and cooling box in the back for drinks and food. Also, the screen controls Bluetooth, radio, and phone connectivity, as well as this screen provides 2D assisted grading control.